Capstone assignment 3, we look at ocean systems. So the region that is vulnerable to changes in ocean systems, one of the regions is the coastal United States. More specifically, New England and Portland is exactly where we're going to be focusing on for this capstone assignment. So, what is the threat and why is Portland or New England um, particularly vulnerable to this threat? So, the threat is the slowing of the Atlantic Ocean circulation. The Atlantic Ocean circulation provides nutrients and warm water from the equator to polar regions. This is achieved through the temperature and salinity gradient that drives warm water nutrients from the equator towards the polar regions. As a result, a slowing in the Atlantic Ocean circulation would also result in a reduction in the amount of warm water that is transported from the equator to the polar regions, and also it would reduce the amount of nutrients being moved from the equatorial region up to mid and higher latitudes. So the threat to this region specifically is because New England and Portland, more specifically, relies on cod fisheries as one of their major industries. So, in terms of the human impact, the reduced amount of nutrients being driven from the equator poleward would also result in a reduced amount of fish caught, which would negatively impact the fishing industry in Portland. In terms of the environmental issues or the environmental change we can expect, aquatic species that can migrate will migrate to areas of higher nutrients or even to warmer areas. So they will migrate equatorward. Also, we can expect a decrease in aquatic biodiversity in these areas because there will be less nutrients provided that's needed for growth. So, for such a large problem, what is a plausible solution? A plausible solution would be mitigation through reducing carbon dioxide emissions. This would help to reduce the rate at which the Atlantic Ocean circulation has been slowing over the past couple of decades. So yes, this is the area that I focused on for my capstone assignment 3.